How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your ATK F4 mouse. So the first thing that you want to do is to connect your mouse onto your ATK Gear software, and basically from there, it will automatically be detected to your software. From here, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the macro settings at the side of the screen, and basically from here you can add the macros if you want to do that. But in my case, to make things easier, I'm going to be skipping on this option, but take note that you can add macros the way you want to. Now, the most important setting is going to be the DPI setting. The sweet spot for this is going to be the 1600, so you want to make sure to set a DPI configuration or profile for 1600, but of course you're welcome to use something like 400 or 800, but the smoothest response is going to be the 1600 DPI. Navigate through performance setting, and from here, most of the time you want to use something like 1K. This will provide enough smooth falling rate, so it will give you boost in competitive games. Using something like 2K, 4K, and 8K can significantly drain your battery, but of course it will provide better results. But once again, it will drain your battery, so keep that in mind. From there, navigate through the parameter setting, and you want to follow along. For motion synchronization, you want to turn this on. Basically, this applies the smoothing algorithm to our mouse movement, and it will make our aim tracking a lot smoother. If you love to play games like Apex Legends, this would help you significantly. From there, you want to navigate through the key debounce delay, and you want to choose 1ms. This will prevent duplicates or accidental triggering caused by rapid mouse movement button. And for the LOD setting, you want to switch this to 1.3 so it will not cause some errors when moving our mouse. From there, basically those are the best settings for your ATK F4 mouse. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.